Morning. Hey, Henry. Hi. Hi, Henry.
Can we come in and say hello?
Yeah, sure. Come here, COTA.
Hey, Boba, come. Boba.
Come here.
Boba.
Come here.
Hey, Boba.
Boba.
Okay, go. Go, COTA. Go. Let's go. Hi, Henry. Hi.
Two giants.
Is it?
Hey, kid. Stop it. Chew some bones.
Sit, COTA, sit.
It had been a few days since Boba's last visit with his mother. Today, both parents came along, cautious of our past interactions. They knew Boba was still learning to navigate the social world of dogs, often finding himself in awkward situations.
Back up now. Back up. Sit. Down. Down. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Make him sit. Make him sit. Make him sit. Yeah, make him sit. Sit, COTA. Sit. Down. 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 Sit, COTA. Sit.
It's crucial for a puppy to understand and follow the caretaker's verbal commands. That's why the caretaker should take charge of the leash until the puppy settles down.
Come
here. Sit.
As a 10-month-old pup, Boba struggles to control his enthusiastic nature.
No.
Sit. Sit.
Sit.
No.
Therefore, the caretaker should not give in to this behavior. Instead, they should patiently hold the leash until Boba calms down.
Sit.
COTA, back up. Sit. Back up, COTA. Back up. Back up.
Down. Down. Down.
At last, Boba obeyed his caretaker's command, marking the initial step towards calming the puppy down. But we have a long way to go before it can be disciplined.
No, COTA, come here, come here. Come here, COTA, come here, now. Yeah, he wants to be domineering. I think, yeah, that's when he goes on top of him, that's an indication he wants to be dominant.
Right.
Yeah, that he doesn't believe me. He doesn't like that.
Okay.
He will be restrained, but if it gets too far, I've seen him. He won't bite, but he'll give him a warning.
Right.
And all that. If he continues, then that's gonna be a problem.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Yeah. But he's still a puppy, so he doesn't. I don't think he knows. But
Yeah, I mean, I think it's okay that the older dog teaches him because that's why I hear like he has to learn.
he has to learn.
Yeah.
Our caretakers addressed Boba's uncontrollable behavior, and Boba's dad agreed that it needs correction. They concluded that having a well-socialized dog is crucial for correcting this behavior, as Boba could risk serious injury if he behaves similarly towards unsocialized dogs. Having reached a consensus among the caretakers, they entrusted me with addressing Boba's dominant behavior. It's crucial for Boba to realize that attempting to assert alpha male traits towards a protection dog like me could lead to risky situations. Unlike Sheepadoodles, which are typically family pets, working line dogs like Giant Schnauzers, German Shepherds, or Malinois Shepherds mean business and won't tolerate such behavior. This is the outcome when a dog attempts to exhibit alpha traits.
Sit.
He loves playing.
Yeah.
I think he needs to learn what he can and can't do.
Sit.
Yeah.
Sit. Sit. Yes.
As soon as Boba's caretaker released him, he promptly attempted to assert dominance over me, testing my patience to the extent that I had to correct him, emphasizing that such behavior was inappropriate.
The other Ollie, he was just like him, because he was like really overwhelmingly playful. After a while, he got neutered and he calmed down.
Well, he's been neutered for maybe a month and a half. Maybe a month and a half.
Oh, that was a correction, right there. That was a correction.
This marked my first growl directed at Boba, notable for the fact that I refrained from biting him. It served as a simple warning, indicating my disapproval of his behavior. Currently, he's exhibiting the behavior of a frenzied dog. In human world, it looks like a person that is high on adrenaline.
What kind of breed again?
It's a giant schnauzer.
Oh.
Good boy.
Good.
Yeah.
He gets bigger, right?
I think that's it, but he weighs about 80 pounds.
Oh wow.
This was my second growl, another warning that conveyed my dissatisfaction with Boba's behavior, signaling to him that he should cease his actions. At this point, Boba came to the understanding that I could pose a challenge for him to manage. Recognizing that he would be overpowered by a larger dog with a dominant personality, he chose to refrain from participating in aggressive play. In the end, Boba came to terms with not possessing alpha traits and settled down. This trait was what the caretakers anticipated as the outcome, and my caretakers were very pleased with how I managed the situation. Few weeks later.
Wait.
Okay, go. Good boy. Hey, Boba. Morning.
After our previous uncomfortable encounter, we continued to meet Boba and his parents several times. With each meeting, our bond strengthened, evolving into a deep friendship. We became devoted canine companions, always eager to engage in playful activities together. However, this time was different. Boba displayed remarkable growth, demonstrating his newfound ability to play and interact harmoniously with other dogs. In the end, Boba and I have become excellent canine companions. We meet several times a week, and I'm always delighted to see him. Each time we reunite, he exhibits no signs of aggression or dominant behavior, and I'm thrilled to see him transform into a fun-loving dog. I consider myself fortunate to have found a new friend, and I will treasure this moment.